Have you realized the air we breathe is the same as what the aircon breathes? Why is it the aircon in our house clogs up, but our lungs do not? We breathe the same air, yet we are able to function daily. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kelvin. Today I'm going to talk about the other functions of our immune system. Now, if you have missed the first video on who is the best doctor in the world, I'll put the link on top and in the description below. So do check it out first. Second function of our immune system is to cleanse. Cleansing the toxins and impurities in our body, excreting it out. From this picture, we can see that macrophage is extending out its tentacles, trying to hook the MSGs, preservatives, cholesterol, and polluted air particles, swallowing all of these impurities and destroying it in its mouth. Then excreting it out of our body through our phlegm and mucus. Moving forward, we have another cells called the phagocytes, which also handles the cleansing function of our body. Now, its main job is to move around with its widely open mouth, swallowing all the impurities and toxins, for example, fats, cholesterol, and OH cells, expelling it out through our sweats and bowel. All of our cleansing cells plays a crucial role, taking charge of clearing the toxins and impurities in our bodies. Now, when our bodies accumulate too much toxins, this could be dangerous, as chances of falling ill is very high. This also could be an indication that our immune system is weak. The third function of our immune system is to repair. Have you ever noticed people walking around with this big, bulky cast over their leg or hand? Even some people with plasters on their open wound. Do you think the plasters, the medication, and the big bulky cast helps to speed up the healing of the wound? Maybe by covering it up, there will be lesser chance of getting infection. In fact, preventing it from worsening could be one of the options towards recovery. But I believe we have seen some people who heals faster than others, be it wound or fractured bones. Why is that so? As we can see from the picture, blood platelets in our bodies are repairing the damaged tissues. So most of the time, it is our own bodies repairing by itself, not the plasters, casts, or medications. According to experts, 90% of our diseases are caused by a malfunction or a reduction in our immunity, which means our immune system is weak and is unable to perform the three major functions. One, which is to defend and protect against external bacteria, viruses, and internal mutations. Two, cleanse the body's toxins, impurities, H cell, and fats in our blood. Three, repair the damaged tissues, cells, and organs inside and outside of our bodies. With so many different functions that our immune system performs, this shows me that our immune system is very important. So as long as we provide our immune system with the right balanced nutrition, we are able to have a healthy body. Besides nutrition, there are three other pillars of health that we need to take care of too. We need to have quality sleep, go out for an exercise daily, and finally, a stable, happy emotion, which means more smiles, more laughters, and a positive outlook towards life. Therefore, improving our quality of living. I hope through my video today, we have a better understanding of our immune system and why is it called the best doctor in the world. Like always, if you have enjoyed my video, do help me smash the like button below and subscribe if you have not. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.